Hello guys, welcome again to my channel Irene Varieties. I'll be showing to you the pack I just bought on Temu. I ordered things. They are different things, so let me unbox. Let's unbox together so that you guys will see them. This is a slipper for my son. Wow, this is a slippers. Very nice for him. This is one. Everything I ordered was about 31 or 32 euros. Okay. This is another slippers for my daughter. Let me show you guys. Let's open together. Let me put on the light in that way. So this is the green slippers, very beautiful. This is it. Later I will show you guys the cost in the video. I will put the cost in the video. This is a top and short for my daughter. This is the short. This is the top for my daughter. Okay, thick. This is another thing I will be showing you guys later. This is for home. So this is Samsung phone case with butterfly design, blue color for my daughter. So take it. This is a sticker I ordered for school, for my child's school, for stickers for her textbooks. So take. This is Intel. If you are a football fan, this is a complete Intel. Is a top and short for my son. I ordered for him, and he is a personalized one. Brian. He's called Brian. Can see? Wow. You can see number 9. He's number 9. He's number 9. 9. Brian. 9. We are thick. Brian thick. Then this is sunglasses for the 3 of us. Me, my son, and my daughter. This is a surprise. My son didn't know that I ordered this because he loves something like this. He have been telling me to order for him. You can see. Wow. They are 3-piece. So I'll be showing you guys along with this video the costs of each and every item here. Thank you guys. Then this is another item I ordered. It came with brush. It's an invisible waterproof agent to seal tiles on the ground, wooden tiles, different type of tiles, so that water cannot penetrate it. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share to your loved ones. Then, until I come your way next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.